Making waves in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the English language to understand the meaning of the phrase, make waves. Have you ever heard someone use it? If you're curious about what it means and how to use it, you're in the right place. Imagine standing at the edge of a calm pool or lake. When you throw a stone or disturb the water in any way, it creates ripples or waves. This literal action of causing disturbance in the water is the foundation of our phrase. In everyday English, make waves doesn't usually refer to actual water. Instead, it's a metaphorical phrase. When someone says, "Don't make waves," they're not warning you about disturbing a pool. They mean, don't cause trouble, or don't create disturbances or disruptions. For example, I just started my new job, so I'm trying not to make waves until I get a better feel for the company culture. She always makes waves wherever she goes. She's not afraid to challenge the status quo. Though the exact origins of the phrase, make waves, are unclear, its meaning is evident from the analogy of creating disturbances in water. Over time, this phrase has been adopted in various contexts, especially in work environments or social settings. The main idea is that someone is disrupting a calm or stable situation, either positively, bringing attention to necessary change, or negatively, causing unnecessary problems. While we won't dive into phonetic transcriptions, here's a quick tip. Make sounds like cake or take. Waves rhymes with saves or caves. Together, it rolls off the tongue as make waves. So, the next time you hear someone say they don't want to make waves, you'll know they're not talking about splashing in a pool. They're referring to avoiding causing disruptions. We hope this video clarified the meaning and usage of this interesting English phrase. Happy learning, and until next time, keep exploring the vast ocean of the English language.